One of the best host response is one of the best. Very helpful and process for check-in/out is very easy. Property is well maintained. Clean and comfy. Cozy place, good place to stay with beautiful garden area and pool. Salesa Sangat Rumah Bersih and Kemas Siap Ada Mainange Longsir/Bayag Unk 2. Depor PN complete. NKMSKP and BLH very too recommended. Dekat Dengan Legoland ni Kali Kedua repeat staycation Dekat Sini. Haus YG Brahma. Mudanak check-in. Rumah YG Bersih dan Menarik. Berdekatan Dengan Legoland. Great place to stay for family with children. Holia's property contact person was very kind and helpful. The self-check-in process is very easy because a complete guidance has been provided. The building is easy to find, the main entrance gate and lobby tower are just few meters away. The room is comfortable for family with children. Good apartment. Very clean and helpful tenant. You can contact her anytime if you have any problem with the apartment. Facilities superb with swimming pool and gym, parking just okay and you can parking outside or inside the apartment. Parking inside the apartment a bit small for a MPV. Advisable parking outside. Otherwise all okay. Comfort very comfortable place to stay. Nice to stay. Easy communication with the owner, need minor improvement on facility. Overall is a nice accommodation to stay and will stay here again in future. Highly recommended, very nice place. Nice host and house, nice house. Clean and comfortable. The host also friendly too. Definitely I will come again in the future. Nice comfy place. Found this gem for my short weekend stay with family. Like that the apartment had the necessities we need, beds, pillows, hanger, towels and even a kitchen that you could cook in. The living room with the play area is definitely a nice touch and my kids were happy with it. Thumbs up to Holi, we had a blast. Superb, the apartment is very clean and the host is kind too. Highly recommended, thumbs up emoji.